Hi everybody, my name's Adam. This is my first YouTube video. I'm always wrenching on something. I've got a lot of projects out here. Some run, some don't, but they've all got potential. I'm excited to take you guys along with me on the process of getting some of these projects up and running. So let's go do that. So take a walk. This is my Alice Chalmers D17. It needs everything, and that's not really an understatement. Tires are ruined, the engine needs to be rebuilt completely, 100%. Everything on the engine needs to be rebuilt. The belt looks to be okay though, pretty good belt, so maybe I can save that. Alternator might be okay, it looks pretty new, but the power steering needs to be fixed. All the hydraulics need to be fixed. It needs tires, it needs an engine, it probably needs a transmission, maybe, I don't know, I've never had it running. The exhaust is ruined. There's water like all the way in the cylinders. There's no fuel system. There's no ignition system. There's no cooling system. None of the gauges work. There's no key or I don't know where the ignition switch is. It's just gone. The brakes need to be redone. And but the PTO works. So really, this is a steal. It really was. And hopefully by the end of the year, with this new YouTube thing that we've got going on, I'll be able to have this project done. That'd be pretty awesome. So we're gonna see how that goes. But hopefully, the viewers of these videos will allow me to get some of these projects done. Over here, there's a truck, a black truck that's getting an engine. There's a Miata over there that needs to get an engine rebuilt. There's a Miata in the other side of that shed that needs an LS swap and a full interior and a full exterior, and actually this needs to be replaced. Maybe we'll be able to restore this bike if that ends up being in the cards. But before that bike gets restored, that Kawasaki KX80 in there will be restored first, and this FZR 600, and it's a 1989 right here. Hopefully we can get that one restored too. The engine's already pulled out of that one. Over here is the engine that I just pulled out of my scrap truck for the new 6-liter Power Stroke. The first video that comes up on the channel from any sort of mechanical standpoint will be this one getting torn down to nothing and finding out where it's damaged at. It's definitely got some blow-by and huge oil leaks, but the oil leaks I'm not too worried about. That'll get resealed. With the blow-by, I do got to find out what on the bottom end needs to be replaced and inspect everything in the process to find out what I am replacing. Right there is the engine for the FZR. So, well, engine and transmission. So hopefully, at some point in the future, that one will get rebuilt as well. Got some parts sitting up over here that need to go on some stuff. A few different cars, some parts, some down there as well. A lot of this stuff's for the 6-liter. So we'll see how all that goes. And the project that I might be the most excited for is making this thing beautiful and run great, because this thing is the workhorse of the car. This is the 1989 Chevy K1500. We need to do a lot to it. I don't even know what needs to be done yet, but definitely a lot. Engine doesn't run. It's got a 454 in it with a 4L60E behind it. That's not a good pair at all. So definitely need a transmission. The engine needs to be fixed. It's got a freshly rebuilt engine, but never ran right. So gotta do some of that. And it needs to get lifted higher for sure. The interior needs to be redone a little bit. The print paint on the frame. That's about it. And fix some of this stuff up. Just tidy up a couple of things on this truck. Now, I understand how this might seem like this is going to be an automotive YouTube channel. That is not necessarily true. It might be. About to see how things go. There's a couple other projects that I'd like to record, for people out here that might want to learn how to do some of this stuff. I've got some speakers in that trailer over there, some PA speakers. I'd like to redo the boxes on and just make them beautiful, and just might make a video on that and post it on the channel. So just because we're Pool Boys Garage does not mean that we're only going to be doing automotive stuff. Whatever y'all like to see, I've got infinite numbers of projects to do out here, whether they're on the house, or they're on cars, or trucks, or tractors, or gators, or speakers, or fixing up trailers. There's always something out here that needs to be fixed. If you want to see something done, comment on the video, and I just might do it. I got small engines, got big engines, no engines, everything you can think of. We build sheds, got connexes, building shops. All kinds of things are getting done out here. So tune in and you might just see something that you like.